So guys, welcome to IT networking. So recently new error code in when you printing. So error code is 0x 5 times 07d1. Okay, so how to fix? Firstly, click to start button, go to setting, then again slow down, click to troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, and run this program. Printer, and please wait few minutes, and very important solutions give you, then it is closed. Okay, click to start button, type REGE registry, and right click to run as administrator, then click to yes. Okay, so computer, local machine, system, current, so guys, computer, local machine, system, okay, then system, control set, current control set, then control, then print. Okay, so one of the folder actually I deleted already, post SPU upgrade. Okay, so post SPU upgrade, right click to delete. Okay, so I already deleted this folders for testing, so you can delete it. Let me check, and guys, then delete and restart your system. Your printer problem is solved. Thank you.